Create the Heart, and I'm back with another project share. So in my other video, I showed this card, which I struggled with getting it to spin, but I have since fixed it. And so now it's spinning. So I also did some other sprays, but you can't, I don't know. I think I just need to do something different with, you know, this. And so you can see a little bit of different color in here because I did do some other sprays, but there it goes. It's now spinning because I fixed it. The other card, like, I don't know, what do you call these cards that move, that I got that I haven't really used at all, was the Magic Iris card. And so it has all of these sort of funny pieces, and I watched a lot of videos, and so I'm still getting the hang out of making this card. I kind of learned different things every time I made it. So I'm going to kind of share kind of what I learned in making this card, that there definitely is a learning curve. I think this piece as well. And then I used this, what do you call this? This is the Snowglobe. It's the Magic Iris Snowglobe, so it fits perfectly over this is what I used. But, you know, I really like it, and I'm definitely going to keep playing with it and hopefully perfect it. So I'm going to probably do one more card to see if I can't get it just right. But I used the Smart Cookies Oh Snap. I just got the actual, they have a tiny gingerbread set from Lawn Fawn, which I have. I just got it recently. Let's see. I think I also use this one too, which is the Snow Bunnies for Stampin' Up. I'm sorry, Snow Bunnies for Simon Says Stamp. It's a Lawn Fawn stamp set that was made for the Stamptember, and I think this was, I don't know if this was 2 years ago or last year, maybe, no, 2 years ago probably. I usually buy them because I really do like them. So let me start with, so there's this one, and it has like a little opening there. Like, I don't know what happened. I don't really know what happened. But it doesn't really, kind of moves pretty well. So what I discovered is there's this piece right here which folds over, and you have to kind of do it loosely. Otherwise the turning mechanism gets stuck. So you have to kind of make sure that you have space when you have this folded over. And so that was just something that I kind of learned. And so it really is like a learning curve for me. But there's that first one. It's still cute, but, you know, not perfect. And then there's this one, which I struggle with this one. It's got issues, but it opens like this, and you've got a Gingerbread Village that kind of opens up her house. And so this one's not too bad. You can see it's got, I don't know, a little too much movement. And so for this one, I did it really loosely around, and I had to make adjustments because this kept catching, and you can see it keeps going really low right here. So not too bad. And then there's this one. And this one is definitely the winner in terms of, so yeah, so Christmas tree there, and then this, and you got a secret little snowman hidden under there. It says Ready, Set, Snow. This one says Merry Christmas. And they're just really fun, these interactive cards. I'm really, really enjoying them. So I mean, if you're looking for if you're like me and who has, like, I have a lot of stuff. So, and I make a lot of cards. I'm definitely probably a card maker first, even though I was a scrapbooker first, and then I became a card maker. I do love making cards. And so it is really fun. That's kind of why I like Slimline, because it's something different, all the cards that I make. And so this is just really fun to do something different with your card making supplies. So really I'm going to look around and see maybe the next card that I make. Maybe I use this magic iris with a different brand of product to see what I can come up with, but really, really fun. I did watch a ton of videos. Lawn Fawn has videos on how to do it, as well as their design team. I highly recommend watching those videos because they really do help you. And then you're going to have some ones that just don't work really well. And as you figure out why it's not turning, you kind of figure out how to do it better next time. And so it is one of those ones that definitely has a learning curve. So if you're in a big hurry and you're having to make tons of cards or do tons of projects, this might be more time consuming than you want. However, if you're not making as many cards this year and you want to make each card just a little bit special because you're not sending out as many, then this might be the kind of project for you. So thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy, Crank the Heart.